Hi, this is Scott Brown with a Motor Age segment talking about Bosch filters. Now, sound preventative maintenance generally fosters optimum vehicle performance and long life. In fact, in my shop, I've seen the negative results of poor filtration and improper vehicle maintenance. I had one case recently where a vehicle stalled out on the freeway and would not restart due to a faulty air filter. The repair required replacement of the mass airflow sensor in addition to the defective filter that allowed a bug to pass through and fuse itself onto the hot wire sensor. Now, Bosch places a ton of engineering into the design and functionality of their filters. Air filters play a critical role on engines using mass airflow sensors. Their filters are manufactured with a special polyurethane seal for proper fitment and to withstand the brutal temperatures within the engine compartment. High-velocity cellulose-cured media with even pleat distance provides minimum air resistance for optimum performance. Now, I've seen numerous low-quality filters where sealing was not a high priority, and many of them led to drivability problems due to mass airflow sensor contamination. Now, air filter service should not be taken lightly, as one should always take the time to properly ensure airbox cleanliness and proper air filter fitment during installation. Now, today's highly sophisticated engines require specific fluids so that the various engine components and actuators can always perform their jobs correctly. Dirty oil can wreak havoc on these systems, and this is where the Bosch workshop oil filters stand out because they can hold 13 grams of dirt and contaminants. And in fact, the Bosch filter has 44% more pleats in the filter media as compared to their competitors. Check out the link in the video description below and have a look for yourself. Now let's talk about cabin air filters, as I believe that these are one of the most overlooked maintenance items that can do wonders in keeping the interior of the vehicle highly pleasant. In fact, the other day, one of my technicians showed me a filter after removing it from the vehicle, and wow, this one was wiped out. Now, in doing the research on cabin air filters as I prepared for this video, I learned a lot about the technology that Bosch puts into these filters. Their activated carbon filters are designed to trap odor-causing gases with high capacity. These filters have a total of 5 layers to tackle trapping dust, pollen, and other contaminants, and are also mold resistant, which can really help keep the air being discharged from the HVAC system as pleasant as possible. Well, I hope you found this interesting, and if you'd like more information on the Bosch workshop filters, please see the link in the description below. And thanks for watching.